In this video, we are continuing with the cylinders. Here is a situation in which a swimming pool which is 70 meters long, 44 meters wide and 3 meters deep is to be filled by water issuing from a pipe whose diameter is 35 centimeters at 6 meter per second. How many hours does it take to fill the pool? Right? So if you look at the dimensions of the pool is a cuboidal one, right? That's why the length, breadth and height of the pool is given. Now we have to fill this pool up to the brim. Does that mean the volume of the water flowing through the pipe is equal to the volume of the swimming pool, right? So let's see whether we have all the dimensions. So I have length of the, so I'll write here for pool. I have length as 70 meters. I'm also given the breadth as 44 meters and this is 3 meters deep. So height is 3 meters, right? So I can calculate the volume of the pool. So volume of the pool, I know that volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. So L into B into H, right? So volume of the pool is equal to 70 into 44 into 3, right? Now for pipe, which is a cylindrical one, I need to know the volume of the water flowing through the pipe. So for pipe, it's a cylindrical one, so volume will be pi r square h. Pi value I know, and he's also saying that the diameter of the pipe is 35 centimeters. So this is the diameter. Does that mean, can I calculate the radius of the pipe as 35 by 2? Since this is in our, all the dimensions are here in meters, so I will also convert this into meters by dividing this by 100. So 5 sevens are 5 20s are. So I got this as 7 upon 40 meters. This is the radius I have found. Now height. How do I find height? We have discussed is the distance of water flowing, the distance that water covers through the pipe, which is equal to speed into time, right? So time we have to find. So we will say that let it takes x seconds. We'll right now write it in seconds and later on we will convert the time in hours. X seconds for pipe to fill the pool. So he has also given me the speed at which the water is flowing. So I can calculate the distance, which is 6 into x. So distance becomes my height. So h is equal to 6x. Now I got h, I got r, right? I can equalize the two volumes. Volume of the pool is equal to volume of the water flowing through the pipe. So let me calculate the volume of water flowing through the pipe is pi r square h, which is 22 by 7. My r is 7 by 40 into 7 by 40 and my h is 6x. Now I will equalize these two volumes, which is 70 into 44 into 3 is equal to 22 by 7 into 7 by 40 into 7 by 40 into 6x, right? So this 7 and this 7 will go. So now I will cross multiply everything here. I'll get 70 into 44 into 3 into 40 into 40 divided by this 22 into 7 into this 6, that is equal to x seconds, right? So 7 tens are 70, 11 fours are 11, twos are 2 twos are, so 3 twos are 2 and 2 will go. So finally I am left with 4 fours are 16 and 1 2 and 3 zeros. So my x is equal to 1 2 3 seconds. Now I need the time in hours. So I will divide it by 1600,000 upon 60. So seconds I have converted into minutes into 60. So I have converted it into hours. So this and this will go, this and this will go. 2 8s are 2 3s are. So finally I got x as 1 0 is left here, 80 upon 18 hours. So if I need to convert that, x is equal to 2 40s are 2 9s are. So 40 upon 9 hours, which I can write as 4 by 9 hours, right? Okay. Now one more. He's saying that water is flowing at the rate of 8 meter per second through a circular pipe. It's almost similar than the previous one. It's similar to that. Whose internal diameter is 2 centimeter into a cylindrical tank. The radius of whose base is 40 centimeter. Determine the increase in the water level in 30 minutes. Now here see, you have a cylindrical tank, right? So what you are going to do here is, you are going to fill this tank with the help of the pipe, and you have to find the increase in water level, that is this height, in 30 minutes. You don't have to calculate the entire volume of this. You don't have the entire height of this. You have to only calculate the height of the water level in 30 minutes, right? So what we will do, we will first write the dimensions for pipe. What are the dimensions of pipe? A radius is given 2 cm, diameter is given 2 centimeters, so it is 1 centimeter, right? And what else is given? It is flowing through the pipe at 8 meter per second. So I can calculate the distance here, and distance will be speed into time. So what is my speed? 800, let me convert this into centimeters, into time is 30 minutes. 30 minutes, I'll convert this into seconds, so into 60. So this is my distance. So this becomes my height for the pipe. So for pipe, if I want to calculate the volume of water flowing through the pipe, will be pi r square h, since it's a cylindrical pipe. So that is 22 by 7 into r is 1 into 1, and my height is 800 into 30 into 60, right? Now let me calculate the volume of water in the cylindrical tank up to height h. That we don't have, that we have to calculate, is equal to pi r square into h. So pi is 22 by 7, radius is 40, this is okay, into 40, and height I have to calculate. So I can equalize these two volumes, right? So this will be 22 by 7 into 1 is 1 into 800 into 30 into 60 is equal to this volume 22/7 into 40 into 40 into h. From here I can calculate now h. This and this will go. So my h will be 800 into 30 into 60 divided by 40 into 40, right? So 40 20s are 20 2s are 2 30s are. So I got 900 centimeters, which is equal to 9 meters. So this pipe will fill this cylinder in 30 minutes up to 9 meters. The water will be filled up to the height of 9 meters.